Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now finally I am in my 23rd week. In this week the task I got was like learning the Active Directory, learn about Active Directory vulnerabilities, setting up an Active Directory lab. And the fun part, the Active Directory lab I got was it was an old video like 2 years ago, but still I managed to do so many things, but still I couldn't do so many things also. The problem was like the video I got for reference is also the creator of the video is also learning. Because of that, for example, he is typing a command and I am also copying that command. After sometimes, if he got an error, I will also got the error. He is like he is already in the field of cybersecurity and he know so many things related to it. If it was Linux, I will also know that. This Windows Active Directory, the Active Directory is for Microsoft Windows, so we need to know so many commands of Windows. Because of that, a little bit tough for me. I only know some of the basic commands. And meanwhile, the case is like if he get an error, I will also get the same error. He will fix it. If I type the same command he used to fix it, I will get another error. That was the fun part. And yeah, it was really hard. After that, I learned about there is a feature called snapshot in VMware, where just take after installing, just take a snapshot. With that, you will easily can go to the previous state before, I mean the installation state, while you get the snapshot. For example, you installed your server and workspace. After that, just take the snapshot. And if you have, after sometimes you install so many things and you got an error, just click the snapshot and go back to the old self. That's it. You will get the new version, the old version you had installed. No problem. That's really fun. I really like that concept. Just first time I knowing it. And after taking snapshot, we can also clone the entire VM in just one click, rather than installing, creating space, that this just a button is cloned. That's also a great concept. But the problem was the storage. I'm already using dual SSD. Still, my one SSD is for the cybersecurity terms like creating VMs and stuff like that, and other for the computer purpose. So I am installing so many apps because of that. Computer SSD, it is 512 GB. It's around 200 to 250 something, and the new one is after installing Windows. It is Windows, so we need minimum of 64 GB. And as for server, it take up to 100 and something GB. But I tried to install it in 64 GB. It is working, but still there is some cases like my Windows server and the workstation is hanging. That was the first issue I faced. Yeah, like that, I completed everything, but the lab setup was a little bit tough. And I hadn't completed everything when it comes to lab. That's it for this video. Hope you guys know what I did in this week. And so, bye guys. We'll see you in the next video.